Is Sonoma 14.7, and this one is on Dell Latitude 5401, booting with Clover 5160. So this one got the Broadcom. So the Broadcom now is working with Clover. So I prefer to use Clover because I want to dual boot Mac and also Windows, okay, on the same drive. So I got a 2 terabyte hard drive on this one. What do we need to do for Clover not to get kernel panic? So if we use the newer version of Clover, at kernel and patches, you will have block skywalk. So you block it here. And if you, all you need to do is block the skywalk, and also in the kegs, you need to have the A0211 family legacy kegs, and this one you use I use a version 12.0 and IO Skywalk family.kegs. I used version 1.0, and also we need to download the AMFIPass.kegs, and this one is 1.41. So what we want to make sure is that we get the Lilu, which is 1.6.8, and whatever green 1.6.7. So the important thing is that the sky, to block the skywalk option, only exists in 5157 and up. So right now is 5160 is good. So now I'm gonna install Sonoma, and tomorrow I'm gonna install Sequoia, and we can dual boot with Sonoma, Windows and Sonoma, and everything is working on this one. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet is also working, okay? I didn't plug it in. The display, this one also work with the HDMI, although the sound doesn't work. Trackpad is working really well, okay? You can zoom in using the trackpad, like open a picture, and then we can zoom in and out using 2 fingers. What else? Actually, everything's working on this one. I'm gonna do the Sequoia also, but I have to play with Sonoma first and see if it's good, because Ventura is working perfectly too. So I'm gonna put the config.list on my website as a sample, so you can go there and get it. and see what you need to do to get the Broadcom to work with Sonoma without using OpenCore. So
now there's one thing you might have noticed I don't complain about. Politicians.
This is my favorite.
Everybody complains about politicians. Everybody says they suck.
So there's a Wi-Fi. So the Bluetooth, what does the Bluetooth do? So we can AirDrop. That's what we like. Okay? So let's AirDrop something now. So I want to AirDrop from my phone. Accept. Open in photo. There you go. So now I'm going to AirDrop from here to my phone. So this is me. Accept. Sent. Perfect. So the reason that I want to make sure that my Broadcom BCM94360 NG is working with Sonoma and Sequoia with Clover before I upgrade it, because it's working perfectly with the Ventura right now. Okay, this is my Ventura right here. So this is the internal. So I'm using the external to test it first. I will not use a OpenCore because I cannot do a boot with the same drive. And if I want to do that, it's going to have to do a lot of work, which I don't want. Clover to me is still the best. So the speed is pretty good because I only have the internet for 300 meg, and my son is playing game, and we have about 20 devices constantly on. So the download on this one right now is 110, which is pretty good. Important thing is the ping is only 20 milliseconds. So this Broadcom on Sonoma is really good. The micro SD slot is working. Amazing.